Hi everyone, I'm Subbaraju Sir from Coding Masters. Are you looking to build your career in generative AI? Then this training could be the right choice for you. Generative AI is rapidly transforming the IT industry. Today, companies are using AI in software development, testing, automation, and many other business processes. At Coding Masters, we offer Gen AI training in Ameerpet with a strong focus on practical and job-oriented learning. In this training, you will learn important generative AI concepts, prompt engineering, AI tools, and real-time applications. You will also understand how AI can support software testing, automation, and modern IT workflows. This training is suitable for freshers, software testers, developers, and working professionals who want to upgrade their skills and explore new career opportunities in AI. With my 25 years of experience, I will guide you through every concept with practical examples, hands-on sessions, and real-time scenarios. You will also get guidance for projects, interview preparation, and career development. Want to know the complete syllabus, batch timings, training process, and other details? Simply attend our demo session at Coding Masters. You will get all the details during the demo. Start building your future-ready AI skills today. For more information, call us at +9187 121 69228. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you in the demo session at Coding Masters.